Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how to apply for a business loan. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Skill Time and press the bell icon for more amazing and informative videos. Now we start our topic how to apply for a business loan. Applying for a business loan can be an ordeal. Here's how to simplify the process and improve your chance of success. Getting business loan can be a chore. Need some extra cash to take your business to the next level, but daunted by the loan process, you are not alone. There are a lot of paperwork and number crunching involved, and after all the effort, you may have to sweat on the bank decision for ages. Fortunately, the business loan process is getting better. Progressive lenders and online accounting are breaking down a lot of the traditional barriers. The bank the bank wants to approve you. The bank wants to approve you. Before you get started, remind yourself that banks actually want your application to succeed. The interest you shall pay in a vital revenue stream for them. They want to give you the money. It's up to you to make their job easy by turning up with a good business case. Connect the dots for them. While banks the experts in the money, they are not necessarily knowledgeable about your area of business. You shall need to demonstrate very clearly how the loan will allow you to make money in the future and pay back the loan. Present a very clear story. Also, don't forget that your manager will often need to get their boss to approve your loan. Give them everything they need to make a straightforward conversation that starts with your accounts, which should be organized, accurate, and easy to understand. Walking into a bank with a showbox of invoices and complicated spreadsheet just is not going to work. What you shall need when applying for a business loan, you should generally have. First is P&L statements and balance sheets for the past 2 years. Next is up-to-date financial statements. Number 3 is business plans or projects plans to show the direction your business is taking. Tax returns to verify your income statements. Bank accounts also for verification. It's a lot of paperwork, but banks cannot make decisions without the right information. Many business loan applications get held up because applicants do not present the right information. You can download our free P&L template, balance sheet template, and business plan template so that you head to bank within the money information you need. Or you can forget all about the paperwork. Now we discuss, or you can forget all about the paperwork. If you have modern accounting software, you will not have to dig out all these documents. A smart system will produce the information on demand, including first is income and expense reports, number second is growth trends, and number third is forecast. And if you have your software set up with bank feeds so that income and expenditure data flows directly from your business account, the person approving your loan will trust that information is accurate. That level of confidence will help you case. Next is presentation matters. When asking your bank for a loan, forget about tables and spreadsheets. A picture paints 1,000 words. Create charts and graphics that show how your business is tracking. It's so much money more compelling the handling them raw data and challenging them to interpret. Clear graphical reports will make it much easier for your bank manager and their boss to evaluate your application. Again, accounting software will make this simply because you can lift charts and graphs from your dashboard. If you do not use an accounting package, take the time to make the graphs manually. The visual will help consummate the opportunity in the minds of the decision makers. Next is get your story right. When applying for a loan, you are aiming to convince the bank that your business is a good bet. To do this, you shall want to know a little about how they think, how do they evaluate risk, what sorts of arguments do they respond to, which arguments are weak. Then you can form a story that puts your business in the best possible light. An accountant can help you do that. They prepare lots of loan applications so they know what you should include in your application and how the present it. Plus, your bank manager will have more confidence in an application that a financial professional and help prepare. If you do not have an accountant or bookkeeper, don't feel bad about hiring one for this process. They are often approached to help business get access to the finance. You may not even have to visit their office if you do not want to. Many can do this sort of work online. First, next is instant lending. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Skill Time. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now we start instant leading. If you have made the switch to good accounting, you may not have to go through such a formal loan application process. Some lenders can access your application online and give you faster access to capital. You send data from your accounting software online to the lender and they evaluate your loan application within days. You do not even need to have a prior relationship with them. The quality and integrity of the data in your accounting software gives them all the security they need to make a quick decision. These types of lenders are more interested in the future of your business than its past. They do not need to see your credit score, for example. Instead, they shall focus on your collateral and use the analytical tools built into your accounting software to understand your business and its perspectives. Online lenders will generally want to see that you are making a profit or projecting to make one soon. Next is what assets you have and that you have a credible management team is also. Next is finance options. If you use an online provider, you shall generally get a credit line rather than a loan. Credit lines work like an overdraft or credit card. The lender gives you access to an agreed amount of money, but you do not have to use it all, and you pay a monthly payment on what you actually borrow. For example, you may apply for a credit line and be granted a limit of million crowds. If you only use half of that, you shall only pay interest on half. It gives you the liquidity and flexibility to run the business the way you need. Next is business borrowing getting supplier. Business borrowing is getting simpler. Getting finance used to be hard for everyone. Business owners had to pull together mountains of paperwork to prove their financial position. The bank had to transfer information from multiple sources to make sure the data was valid. It was time consuming for them and grueling for you. Some business loan applications are still like that. However, modern accounting tools provide clean, validated data that allow the lenders to make for quicker decisions with much less effort from the applicant. No matter no matter how you apply for a loan or who you use, never taking lending lightly. It might get easier to take on debt, but that does not mean you should. Always consult your financial advisor and make sure the loan will move you closer to your business goals. Disclaimer: Zero does not provide accounting, tax, business or legal advice. This guide has been provided for information purposes only. You should contact your own professional advisors for advice directly relating to your business or before taking action in relation to any of the provided application. I hope all viewers all points clear about to how apply for a business loan. All viewers tick all points according to how to apply for a business loan. Business first is getting business loans can be a core. Second is the bank wants to approve you. Next step is